Hello everyone, Chris Collins here from the SCSeTools support staff. We'll be taking a look at site build changes today. More specifically, requesting site build changes using the new AsBuilt report that was added recently to SCSeTools. So the first thing we're actually going to look at will be the AsBuilt report itself. One change from the way that we actually used to recommend that people would send in changes to us, which was to download the points list, is this new template file that we have within the AsBuilt report actually allows you to mark up the file itself, send it in to us, and then we can upload that right away to kind of speed up the process and to really just kind of eliminate a lot of the wait time and for us getting that reformatted and manually entering all of that. All of that information that you actually have marked up in there will be actually added into SCSeTools. One of the differences there is that if you have new IDs, please let us know within the email that it is new IDs and highlight it within that file whenever you send it in. Just that way that we have a heads up, because there's a couple extra things that we have to do behind the scenes in order to set up a new ID as well. So again, just give us the heads up there if that is the case. So the first thing we're actually going to want to do is make sure that we have the correct landfill selected in the top left-hand side of your screen. We'll go ahead and select the eTools landfill, and then we'll go over to the reports section and go into admin. Admin, again, we'll see the list of the different reports we have here on the left-hand side of your screen, as well as a description of actually what those individual reports are. So for this one, it actually lets you know, select from the site selector, which is what we did here at the very start. Select the type that we actually want to edit. So if you're only wanting to look at the probes, the wells, or the grids individually, you have that option too. You can toggle the point types on and off and just select that one individual one. If you have multiple ones actually selected there, it'll actually download it into a zip file. It'll have those individual files actually listed inside there for you to edit. Once you have actually marked up your changes for that specific point type, you can email that in to support, and then we'll make sure that that actually gets updated for you. So again, I'll keep everything selected. We'll go ahead and create report. Like all of our other reports within SCSeTools, that'll give you a preview at the very bottom of just what the output looks like, and then we can also download this through an Excel file onto our computer. I previously downloaded the file just for the sake of the demonstration. I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like. Here is the zip file as mentioned. It actually contains all of our AsBuilt information. I'll go ahead and open that, and then we'll see the individual files here that we actually have, our template files that we can edit here then as well. So I'll go ahead and I'll select the well just for the demonstration, and we'll go ahead and open that up in Excel. As you can see, we have the site name, we have the whatever the type is, the point type, as well as the ID, point name, so on and so forth. Any of this information can be marked up and actually sent into support, and then we can upload that on our end and make sure that all that information, as I said, gets updated for you. Again, if you do have new IDs, you can go ahead and add them. Feel free to add them here. Just highlight them and mention in your email that it actually does contain new IDs, just so that we can ensure that that information gets entered into the system and that all the rules and all of that stuff gets applied as well. For the wellhead types, you have a drop down here, so all the wellhead types is currently supported. If you have any questions about any of those, as always, reach out to us, but at the same time, most of the stuff in here is the same stuff as what you have in eTools. And you can see all of your screen length, how deep the well is, all of your elevations, your AsBuilt information for your latitude and longitude, so on and so forth. So yeah, there's really a lot of information in here that you actually have the ability to edit. If you guys are using the SCS Instrument Communicator, you can actually change your pump time and all of that information in here as well. So again, feel free to go ahead and download that, mark that up, and send that in to us. If you have any questions about this video or any video that we have made in the past, or if you just have general support questions, you can email us at support@scsetools.com. Our phone number is 866-612-6820, and our hours of operation is 8 o'clock Eastern Time to 5 o'clock Pacific, Monday through Friday. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.